Hello, I'm Monika. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how you can remove your gel nails at home only by using tools that you can find in drugstores. So let's start. You will need a file size 240 or 180, a buffer, nail dust brush, nail polish, and a cuticle oil. In many videos, you can see removing nails by soaking them off with acetone. That is possible if you have gel polish or acrylic nails. But the gel nails can't be removed by acetone. You need to file them off. First, you need to shorten the free edge to the required length. Be careful when filing around sides to not cut yourself. When you are done with length, start to file the nail surface gently and make it less thicker. Do it all over the nail and be careful about the cuticle. If you have any lifting, try to file it off. When you are done, take a buffer and buff the whole surface of the nail. Then apply nail polish. Apply the cuticle oil and you are done. That's it for today. Thank you for watching and I will see you soon in the next video.